美国电影明星 Alec Baldwin 2021年拍片的时，摕道具枪弹死猎野鼠。这个案件伫咧12新北市高州的法官认为检方无提交关键证据，是驳回检方过失杀人的指控。Alec Baldwin 知影家己免坐监，当场伫咧法庭是目屎流。
The sanction of dismissal is the only warranted remedy. The jury has been sworn, jeopardy has attached, and a mistrial would not be based upon manifest necessity.
听到法官宣判过失杀人案件被驳回，免落掠去关的亚里保德温情绪真激动，强要哭出来。陪同的家后甲亲戚朋友也真欢喜。亚里保德温2021年10月伫新北市高州圣塔菲伫拍电影《Rust》时，我摕到装有真正枪支的道具枪，意外枪杀猎命师夏青斯。代志发生了，保德温甲负责管理片场道具的器械主管古提瑞斯拢方控告过失杀人。今年3月，古提瑞斯以无善尽职责来检查道具枪的枪支，被判处过失杀人罪，必须服刑相当18个月。了，检方收到讲是甲片场的枪杀案有关系的枪支，却是无进一步检测证实，更加无甲枪支放入这个案件的证据资料内底。这点正做保德温律师讲方的关键。
It was a disaster for the special prosecutors. It raises questions about this entire investigation. You had a judge who was obviously ticked off at all the missteps in the prosecution, and she finally said the only response, the only logical answer is to dismiss this.
新新闻法官指出，可能甲哈钦斯死亡有关系的枪支，原本可能对着保德温的案件审理有帮助。不过检方甲警方却是无适时向保德温的律师来提供这项证据。检察官是反驳，这段又甲案件是无关系，可能稳重这证据。对着案件被驳回，表达失望。
I believe that the importance of the evidence was misconstrued by the defense attorneys, but I have to respect the court's decision.
保德温的案件伫7月开审，第3天传出一个逆转的结果，经法官判定专案驳回，并且不得搁再提出要拍官司，只表示讲保德温闪掉这个落架记载。国际新闻张淑芬编译。